Dakshita from playgroup, as she has won first prize in fancy dress competition and first prize in crawling race. She's also participated in Radha and Krishna competition, sports in the running race, collecting balls, and also participated in rhymes competition. A big round of applause for P. Dakshita. Parents, we want to see a little more energy from you. Next student is Faiza Zareen. She has won second prize in fancy dress competition and first prize in collecting balls. Well done, Faiza. She's also participated in Radha and Krishna competitions as well as in other sport activities like running race, crawling and participated in rhymes competition also. Next student is Rishi Vardhan. Next student is Rishi Vardhan. Rishi has won Best Krishna Award. He's also participated in other activities like fancy dress competition and sports like collecting ball, running race, crawling race and rhyme competition. Smile, Rishi! Smile! Next student is Megha Shri. She was awarded as Best Radha and she won first prize in running race. Please put your hands together for Megha Shri. She's also participated in fancy dress competition and sports activities as well as in rhymes competition. Ma'am, help. Help.
Give me
help. Another medal.
Don't do it, I will do it.
Madam, give another medal.
Give another.
Hold it.
Don't do this.
A big round of applause for her. Then smile. Next, Kanaksha, she's won first prize in rhymes competition. She also participated in sports, running race, collecting ball and crawling. Next, Karthikeyan Riyansh. He's got second prize in rhymes competition. A big round of applause for him. He's also participated in sports activities, running race, collecting ball and crawling. Next, Manvi. I request father of Manvi to please join to collect the first prize in Father's Day competition. Big round of applause. I want parents to please do get involved. May I request father of Manvi to please come onto the stage. Sir, please. So I want more and more fathers and more mothers to please participate in the competitions. She is also won second prize in collecting balls, as well as participated in fancy dress competition, Radha Krishna competition and sports, as well as rhymes competition. Thank you, sir. Next slide. May I request, Agastya is already on stage. He's participated in fancy dress competition, Radha Krishna competition, sports competitions and rhyme competition. A big round of applause for this little one. Smile, Agastya. May I have next coming up is Sahasra. She has participated in fancy dress competition, Radha Krishna competition, sports and rhymes.
Sasha, take this.
Ma'am, let two people be here. Any extra teacher unnara? I am coming. You be here. Come. Yeah, playgroup is done. Now we start with our nursery students. Sahasra. And Sahasra has won first competition in fancy dress competition. First prize in fancy dress competition. Second prize in running race. Second prize in show and tell competition. She's also participated in Radha and Krishna competition, sports, show and tell competition and rhymes competition. So I want more and more parents to please make their kids participate in all the activities and all the competitions that we conduct. Next, Ayansh B. And he's won second prize in fancy dress competition and second prize in hula hoop. He's also participated in Radha Krishna competition, sports, show and tell competition and rhymes. A big round of applause for Ayansh. Next, Vaishnav Dev. He was awarded with Best Krishna Award. He's also participated in fancy dress competition, sports, show and tell competition and rhymes. Can we have the parent here? Okay. A big round of applause for Vaishnav. Next, Mihika. Mihika was awarded as Best Radha. She also participated in fancy dress competition, sports, show and tell competition and rhymes competition. A big round of applause for our Barbie doll. Next, Devansh. Next, Devansh. Devansh has won second prize in rhymes competition, first prize in running race. A big round of applause for this little star. He's also participated in sports, fancy dress competition and show and tell competition. Next, Ashvi Vankam. She's got first prize in rhymes competition, first prize in show and tell competition. She's also participated in Radha Krishna competition, fancy dress, sports. Next, Mokshi. Mokshi has won first prize in running race. She's also participated in fancy dress competition, other sports activities, show and tell competition as well as Radha and Krishna. Ma'am, someone can be here to help. Smile, Mokshi. Next, Tanvesh. Tanvesh has won first prize in running race. He is also participated in fancy dress competition, rhymes competition, sports, show and tell competition and Radha Krishna competition. I want parents to encourage their kids to participate more and more in competitions. Punarvika, she's won second prize in sports, that is frog jump. She's also participated in fancy dress competition, rhymes telling, show and tell and Radha Krishna competition. A big round of applause for Punarvika. Next, Abhinav Kartikeya. He's won third prize in hula hoop race, as well as participated in fancy dress competition, rhymes competition, show and tell and Radha Krishna competition. A big round of applause for Abhinav. Next, Ashwath Ram. He's won third prize in running race. There's a celebrity move that he's done just now. Next coming up, Shivansh. And he's won third prize in frog jump. There comes the little Shivansh. He's also participated in fancy dress competition, rhymes competition, show and tell competition, and Radha Krishna competition. Next, Dhriti. Dhriti has participated in fancy dress competition, rhymes competition, sports, show and tell, and Radha Krishna. Dhriti. Smile, Dhriti. Next, Gatwik, and he's participated in fancy dress, rhymes, sports, show and tell, and Radha Krishna competition. Smile. Next, Ishwita. Shreya madam. May I request Shreya ma'am to please come on to the stage to give away the prizes.
Parents, this time we have on the screen we were showing this participated. Reason is we want you to be aware, like there are so many competitions happened, and so children have participated in the games. I want more and more participation. Every child must come forward and participate. You should make them participate. That is more important. That's why we have shown this time not only the winners but also participated one.
A big round of applause for Ishwita. Next, Sri Shanvi, and she has participated in fancy dress competition, rhymes, sports, show and tell competition, and Radha Krishna competition. Let me tell you, show and tell competition was virtually they are supposed to get some project and talk about it. So these little ones have actually spoken about their project, so they really deserve a big round of applause. Next, Hanshit. Hanshit has participated in fancy dress competition, rhymes, sports, show and tell competition, and Radha Krishna competition. A big round of applause for Hanshit. Next, Khyati. Khyati has participated in fancy dress competition, rhymes competition, sports, show and tell, and Radha Krishna. Next, Purvansh. Purvansh has participated in fancy dress competition. He's not there. Okay. He's participated in rhymes, sports, show and tell competition, and Radha Krishna competition. But unfortunately, Purvansh has not come today. So we are done with nursery and we would be starting the prize distribution for junior KG. Shri Akshara, she's won first prize in fancy dress competition and first prize in ball balancing, which was one of the sports. She's also participated in Father's Day competition, Radha Krishna competition, storytelling competition and memory game. A big round of applause for Shri Akshara. And thank you to all the fathers and mothers who participated actively. Next, Shatakshi Smara, and she's won first prize in fancy dress competition, second prize in ball balancing. She's also participated in Radha Krishna competition, sports, storytelling and memory game. Next, Rishik Nagasai, and he's won second prize in fancy dress competition. He's also participated in Radha Krishna, sports, storytelling competition and memory games. A big round of applause for Rishik Nagasai. Next, Azmeen. And Azmeen has won second prize in fancy dress competition. She's also participated. She was one of the beautiful Radha for a Radha Krishna competition. Sports, storytelling and memory game. Next, Mukunda. And Mukunda was a best Krishna. Big round of applause for Mukunda. He also participated in fancy dress competition, sports, storytelling competition and memory game. Next, Vedanshika. Vedanshika has won best Radha and she has also participated in fancy dress competition, Father's Day competition, sports, storytelling and memory game. Next, Arnika. Arnika has won best Radha and a running race. She's won second prize in running race. She's also participated in fancy dress competition, Father's Day competition, sports, storytelling and memory game. Srinivisha. She's the first prize winner in running race. A big round of applause for Srinivisha. She's also participated in fancy dress, sports, storytelling, Radha Krishna, Father's Day and memory game. Heyansh. Heyansh is the first prize winner in running race and second prize winner in storytelling. Big round of applause. So they had to narrate a story with actions, with props, along with the moral of story. So they deserve a big round of applause. Next, Riddhi Bhargav. She's won first prize in memory game and first prize in hula loop. A big round of applause for Riddhi Bhargav. So we really had a tricky game this time for memory game, but they cracked it. Ivan Reddy, the first prize winner of hula loop and second prize winner of running race. A big round of applause. He's also participated in fancy dress, storytelling, Radha Krishna and memory game. Big round of applause, parents. Jai Shwek, he's our first prize winner of memory game and first prize winner in ball balancing. He's also participated in fancy dress competition, storytelling competition and Radha Krishna competition. Please cheer him up. Next, Varshita. Varshita has won second prize in hula loop. She's also participated in fancy dress competition, storytelling competition, memory game and Radha Krishna. Smile, Varshita. Next, Shaurya Sai, and he's won second prize in hula loop. He's also participated in fancy dress competition, storytelling competition, memory game and Radha Krishna. Next, Shrinika. Shrinika has won first prize in storytelling competition. Big round of applause for her. She's also participated in fancy dress, Radha Krishna, Father's Day competition and memory game. So I'm so happy to see so many fathers this year participating actively. Duti Devansh, first prize winner in storytelling competition. A big round of applause for her. She's also participated in fancy dress, sports, storytelling, Radha Krishna and memory game. Hanish Vardhan, he's the second prize winner in memory game. He's also participated in fancy dress competition, sports, storytelling and Radha Krishna. Big round of applause for him. May I request Sandhya ma'am to please come onto the stage to give away the Senior KG awards. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Karthik Jadhav, Agastya, and Agastya has participated in fancy dress competition, Radha Krishna competition, sports competition. A big round of applause for Agastya. Agastya. Next, Dhanvi Shri. Dhanvi Shri has participated in fancy dress competition, Father's Day competition, Radha and Krishna competition, sports, storytelling and memory game. A big round of applause for Dhanvi Shri. Mokshit Raj. Mokshit has participated in fancy dress competition, Father's Day competition, Radha Krishna, sports, storytelling and memory game. Vihan Mahadev. Vihan has participated in fancy dress, Father's Day competition, Radha Krishna, sports, storytelling and memory game. So we are done with junior KG students and we'll give away senior KG students the prizes. Karthik Jadhav. Karthik has won first prize in fancy dress competition. He's also participated in Radha Krishna, sports, storytelling competition and memory game. Next, Ishanvi. Ishanvi is the second prize winner in fancy dress competition and first prize in lemon and spoon competition, sports competition. She's also participated in Radha Krishna, storytelling, memory game and Father's Day. A big round of applause for Ishanvi. Reyansh. Reyansh has won third prize in fancy dress competition, first prize in book balancing and first prize in storytelling competition. He deserves a big round of applause. He's also participated in memory game and Radha Krishna competition. Tanvik Rishi. Tanvik has won Best Krishna Award and he's participated in storytelling, sports, memory game and fancy dress competition. A big round of applause for him. Next, Samanvi. Samanvi was a Best Radha in senior KG. She's also participated in storytelling, sports competition, memory game, fancy dress and Father's Day. Next, Ayush Jadhav. He's won second prize in storytelling and second prize in book balancing. He's also participated in Best Krishna, running sports, memory games and fancy dress competition. A big round of applause for Ayush. Punan has won second prize in lemon and spoon sports competition. He's also participated in storytelling, memory game, fancy dress competition, and Best Krishna competition. Shritika. Shritika has won third prize in storytelling competition and first prize in running race. She's also participated in memory game, fancy dress competition, and sports competitions. P. Hanvik. Hanvik has won second prize in running race. He's also participated in storytelling competition, memory game, and fancy dress competition. Arya Reddy. Arya Reddy has I request Suresh sir to please come onto the stage to give away the remaining awards. Thank you so much, ma'am. Arya Reddy has won first prize in memory game. She's also participated in storytelling competition, sports, and fancy dress competition. A big round of applause for Arya. Riddhi Tak. Riddhi has won second prize in memory game. She's also participated in storytelling competition, sports, and fancy dress competition. A big round of applause for Riddhi Tak. Danya Sai. She's won third prize in memory game. She has participated in storytelling competition, sports, and fancy dress competition. Please give her a big round of applause. Anvi. Next slide. Next slide. Anvi has participated in sports competition, fancy dress competition, and storytelling competition. చెప్పాలి ఇక్కడ పీపీటీ వెళ్ళి పెట్టాలనేసి టీచర్స్ టీచర్స్కి ఇప్పుడు ఇచ్చేద్దాం అంటున్నారు సిన్స్ యూ బోత్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఆన్ ద స్టేజ్ బోత్ కెన్ గివ్ ఇట్ ఆఫ్